Hey, so in this video, we're going to go over how to buy the ApeX protocol token. I didn't really see any videos on YouTube on how to do it. Let's just jump right in. So ApeX is a decentralized crypto exchange built by Bybit, and it offers perpetual contracts with 20 to 30x leverage with lower fees than platforms like GMX. And it's getting kind of popular. So for those interested in buying the ApeX token, not financial advice, obviously, here's how you can do it. So ApeX published an official page on their site, which you can see here, apex.exchange/token. And if we click on that, it's currently available on Bybit, a centralized exchange, and Uniswap, a decentralized exchange. So I'll show you how to buy it on both platforms. And alternatively, you can go to CoinMarketCap, search the ApeX protocol, click on markets, and then you can see it's also here available on Bybit. If they get listed on more places in the future, it will probably show up on this markets page here. But right now, these are the two options. So let's do Bybit first, and then I'll show you how to do it on Uniswap. So this is Bybit. It's a popular centralized exchange with more than 4 million customers, and there is no KYC requirements. So to sign up for a Bybit account, all you have to do is just click the sign up button here. And then to create your account, you can do an email or a phone number. I recommend an email, and I'm gonna enter that here, verify my email, and then I'll come back in just a second. Okay, and just like that, I created a Bybit account. All they want you to do is verify your email, and then to withdraw funds, you have to set up a Google Authenticator. And actually, if we go to withdraw here, and I click withdraw spot, you can see that I have a daily withdrawal limit of 20,000 USDT without doing any KYC or giving them my ID, that kind of stuff. So once you have your account set up, you can deposit funds into Bybit here. You can deposit crypto. Now, if you do want to deposit fiat, I believe you will have to do KYC, so just keep that in mind. But you can also deposit crypto from one of the crypto exchanges that you've already signed up for. And then to buy ApeX, you can just go on the top here, search ApeX. And as you can see, there are two trading pairs here. And then you can buy ApeX on the right side of the screen here by clicking buy or sell. And you can do a limit order or a market order if you want it to go through instantaneously. And then once you're done, you can withdraw it to your wallet by clicking this withdraw button here. Now that's how you buy it on Bybit. What about Uniswap? Well, to buy on Uniswap, you're gonna need a crypto wallet, and you're gonna have to connect it in the top right corner here. If you don't already have a crypto wallet, I recommend a MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Those are two very popular choices. And you can click the link directly from their website to know that you're trading the official ApeX token, and you see it'll automatically be added here, but it's not showing a logo right now. So just to confirm, I wanna go to CoinMarketCap, and you can click this contracts here, copy that, go back to Uniswap, and we're gonna paste this address in here. And there we go. And here we have the official ApeX token, and you can swap your Ethereum for ApeX, and you will pay a little bit of gas fees. Ethereum isn't too busy right now, but then it's just very simple to swap. I'll provide links to everything below so you know you have the official websites. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for ApeX yet, you can actually download the app and get up to 30 USDC for free if you use a referral link. So I'll put my referral link for ApeX Pro below. And if you want more info on ApeX, I will link to this blog post below, which I'll try to keep updated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.